Planning for a long train journey and wondering what to pack for snacks and meals? It's crucial to pack the right food to keep you energized and satisfied. Today, we're going to explore the best snacks and meals for your train journey. Stay with us as we count down the top snacks and meals for your train journey. Snacks are an essential part of any journey. They keep you energized and your taste buds entertained. When it comes to train travel, it's all about portability, non-perishability, and of course, tastiness. Trail mix, for instance, is a powerhouse of energy, packed with nuts and dried fruits. Granola bars offer a convenient and wholesome option, while fresh fruits provide a refreshing break from the savories. These snacks not only hit the spot, but are also easy to pack and carry around. Remember, a good snack can make a good journey great. Now let's move on to meals. These are more substantial and are necessary for those longer journeys. When it comes to train travel, the top meals to consider are those that are easy to eat on the go and don't require refrigeration. Think sandwiches, filled with your favorite ingredients, or wraps tightly packed with flavorsome fillings. Don't forget about salads, a refreshing choice that can be as diverse as your palate desires. With these meals, you can ensure you stay full and satisfied throughout your journey. So there you have it, the top snacks and meals for your next long train journey. From crunchy granola bars to hearty sandwiches, these options provide the perfect balance of taste and longevity. Remember, the key is to pack foods that are tasty, portable, and non-perishable. Safe travels and happy eating.